What are we gonna... This is the front. Clean. Uy. It's nothing. Yeah, man, it's microwaved. Digital.
Retailers, it's the acceleration in the coronavirus pandemic added to the fact that they were struggling before this. Of course, Brooks Brothers is particularly exposed. They've had to close their stores as many retailers have. They're declared non-essential, and they've seen a drop off in foot traffic, of course, but they are also heavily exposed to something that was happening before this, and that is the sort of decline in the suit. People are not wearing pinstripes to work in the same way that they used to, because the company, of course, accepted. They are now working less line for things like this. Everyone we saw in a lot of ways. They've already warned that they might need to close their US to do that. But just another example, which is the sort of Darwinism that we're seeing in retail accelerated by this pandemic. And if you can see the estimates that 100,000 stores are going to have to close in the US by 2020. So that's it.
Closely, as we've said many times, ultimately, the course of the economy is going to depend on the course of the virus, and we're following it very closely. Policy is an important part of this, and it looks like negotiations may well result in some additional.
It's hot.
Oh, this is tough. Come here, I'll show you how.